Snickers is a brand we all know and love, but today we're trying something a little different. Snickers White. This is the same Snickers bar we're used to, but instead of milk chocolate, it's covered in a smooth, creamy white chocolate. Inside, you still get that classic combination of roasted peanuts, caramel, and nougat, giving you that signature Snickers chew. Now, if you're like us and enjoy white chocolate, you'd know it can sometimes be a little too sweet. But Snickers White strikes a great balance. It's sweet, but not overpowering. The white chocolate brings a richer, almost buttery flavor, making it a fun twist on the original. If you're used to regular Snickers, this version gives you the same satisfying bite with a little extra creaminess. Texture-wise, everything feels just right. The peanuts add a nice crunch, the caramel stretches just enough, and the nougat gives it that soft, chewy base. These come in a 24-count box, which is perfect for stocking up, sharing, or keeping on hand for when that craving hits. If you ever wondered what Snickers would taste like with white chocolate, this is it. And honestly, it works really well. Whether you're a white chocolate fan or just looking to switch things up, this is definitely worth a try.